Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be sharing Zara haul with you, and if this is the first time you are coming across my channel, you are very welcome. My name is Zara. Guys, the first number I pick is this amazing year. I decided to give a try to this their new collection for spring. I decided to play with their colors so that I can see the one that look nice in my body, because at times trouser pants can look funny on my body type. I said this number here, I just love it. It have this oversized mob fit. I think white denim, you can't go wrong, although it's a little bit distressed, but it's not too much, not all over the place. And this side is very plain. I think it's something that you can style up, you can style down. It's very chic and elevate. And for price reference, it was 29.99, 30 euro. I think it's not too much for a mob jeans. I just love the oversized effect, especially those days I don't need anything restrictive. This denim with blazer, just name it. The fact that it's white, you can style it with different blazer you have at home, or if you have opportunity, you have those white cami, stick cami, even the colored one with this number here, you can just add a purple cami, purple shoe and bag. Wow, I think this number here is very beautiful and stunning. I don't know if you can see the length, it's a little bit cropped. I think this type of number you can't go wrong. It's very lovely, it's amazing. And for size reference, I decided to take it in size 10. The old number, the old jeans I pick here, they are all in size 10, apart from one, and I will tell you the one that is not size 10. All number here, this one is size 10. I don't know if you can see the oversized effect, because I just love this loose fitting. I think it look very chic, very bohemian style. That's why those days, depends on the type of things you will add on it. I will see myself with oversized white jumper. I think this number here will look very stunning. It's amazing. And I will be showing you the cutout. I will try to wear something like body so that you can really see the fit of this amazing jeans. Guys, this number here I think is very lovely. Personally, I have different type of blazer at home. I will be styling it, but I would like to elevate it to take it to the next level. Guys, the next number I will be sharing is this number here. Wow, I think this wash is my favorite in jeans, because this type of wash I style it in winter, summer, spring, because it's a blue, but it's light wash blue. I don't know if you can see it. What I love about this wash is it can come as nude to your wardrobe. We all know that the items that come as nude is those items you use all over you go, because it goes with lot. It's not picking at all, it's not selective. I just love the length of this, and I love that the fact is straight leg. You just have that bougie, that elegant, that sophisticated effect. And for size reference, this one is size 8. I just love this number here, and it's very super high waist. I don't know if you can see it. I just love this number. I think this color is one of my favorite out of their spring collection. I love the fact that the color is very neutral, and you have these details of brown, because jeans is something that you take in consideration. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's a very casual items, but if you have the right accessory, it's something that you can take to the next level. What I love about it is the fact that it's super high waist. I know that items that is super high waist, it look very nice on me, and the fact that they have this straight wide leg, I think it will look very bougie, very elegant, very sophisticated, with a pair of heel, white bag, white shoe, or neutral, or even with brown. If you have the opportunity to have brown blazer, any brown blazer you have, done it to be Zara, because you have these details of brown on his waistline, on the pocket. So I think it will just elevate with brown bag. Wow, it will look very beautiful and stunning. I would say this number here is amazing. And guys, let me know in the comment below, what do you think about Zara Denim. I think this their collection of this year is very nice. And if you're somebody that have interest for color, I would say why not go for it. But they have different color, but I decided to pick color pieces that I know that will work in my wardrobe, because I don't really like too much harsh color from jeans. So I prefer color that is a little bit soft, pastel color that I can use with different items I have in my wardrobe, because I'm really blazer guy. I love blazer a lot. So when I'm buying jeans or pairs of trouser, I take colored in consideration. Say, how am I going to wear it? I don't want to start from the beginning again, buying everything. So if that I have the opportunity, I have something already in my wardrobe that it goes with my neutral, blue, white. I will say this plus. I just love this, and you will see the cutouts. Then the other number I pick is this number here. Wow, I just love the color. I think this color here is spring. I just love the color. I think it's amazing. It's very lovely, and I love the fact that they have this bagging style effect. I think because it's something, if you have like my body type, if you have not tried trouser or jeans that have this bagging effect on the waistline, I will say take it in consideration. It's something that make you look beautiful, very very elegant and tasteful. You don't, when you are wearing it, you don't need to be dragging it as if you are going for a jogging movement and you are trying to just to wear a pair of trousers. I will say go for this type of number. And for size reference, I decided to take it in size 8. I just love the waistline. I think that is what caught my attention. The waistline and the color. I said this number here is spring. You can also style it on summertime with your graphic t-shirt. Just imagine. Or if you have those Zara blouses, floral blouses, just add this number with your pairs of shoe. It will just look very very elegant. Although it's a jeans, but the fact that they have this very exaggerate, very color forward, I will say it's appropriate. And this color is very very season tasteful, so it's something that you can style with different items. If you have neutral cami, white cami, neutral blazer, wow, with this number here is creamy spring. I think it's very very nice and sophisticated. Just look at the color contrast to my body, to my skin. I think it look very very nice. Even with this blazer I'm wearing, I think both of them together will look very very nice and lovely. So this type of thing, you don't need to do too much because the color is already there. And if you are somebody that love exaggerate earring, Zara have this type of color of earring, so you can also play with tomato with a basic t-shirt with this earring and this number here. Well, you just think about the earring. So, colored earring is not really my thing, but if it's your thing, I would say if you go for this jeans, just give it a try. They have the pairs of earring that have almost exactly the same color. I think this number here is very very lovely. Wow, look at this wash of this jeans. I decided to go for this length because I don't know if you can see it. It's sweeping the floor. It's like, well, the only difference I think these jeans we have is that you need to wear it with a pair of heel. Because I don't know if you can see the length. I'm wearing a pair of heel. Just look at the length. I think this length is funny. I don't know what Zara was thinking. A long jeans. Say, I thought it was long, but this time around, I don't know if you can style this with a sneakers, because if not, you'll be just sweeping all the country. And for size reference, I decided to take it in size 8. And for price reference, it was 26,999. I think the price is not all over the place. I don't know if you can see the difference, the contrast, the blue. I just decided to go for different contrast because I think this type of color, they are very very spring appropriate. And this number here have button, does not have zip. So it's something that you have interest for. Because normally I don't think I have any jeans that have button. So I don't know the fit, how it's going to go, but I just decided to give it a try. What caught my attention is just the length. I said let me play with this long, but I discovered that I'm going to wear pairs of heel. Just that is the only way I can style it. And normally I'm not a fan of items that request a specific shoe, but I think it's a little bit restrictive because anywhere I'm going I have to take pairs of heel in consideration. So I think that is the only defect that these jeans have, and it's very very stretching. So it's something that you have interest for, so you can go for your true size, and it's super high waist. I would say this number here is very very lovely. I just love the wash because it's not dark, and you can see the contrast between the white and this blue. You can see the contrast between this one and this light wash, or even this colored number. I decided to pick different items. Since we are talking about spring collection, just look at the contrast so that you can see the contrast. They are different, so that I can just play with it in my wardrobe with different items. I know that my jeans collection is a little bit elevated. So let me know what you think about this button issue. Then the other items I pick is this number here. Wow, I just love this short. Because I think short is something that you take in consideration because you can style it all over the year. You can style it with different items. I just love this dark blue wash, and with the details of this brown belt, I think it's very very elegant. And for price reference was 26,999. Let me say 27 euros. It's a little bit pricey for a pair of short, but I think this short is well made. Because you can also decide to remove the belt. Is elasticated in the waist area. So it's something that you take in consideration. And I decided to go for size 10 in this number here. I decided to size up. I decided to go for size 10 because it's short. I don't want it to be funny on my body. I don't want it to be restrictive. I just want it to free so that it will be flowing on its own. I can style it with different items I have in my wardrobe. I just love this number because personally I wear a lot of jeans short in summer. It's something I just love wearing with my blazer. It's casual, but at the same time with a pair of heels, elegant. I can dress it down with sneakers. I think this number here, you can't go wrong. What I love about it is just the details of the waist, because if you have my body type, you will know that the waist area is an issue. And the fact that this number here have elasticated and you have this belt effect, so you can just style it up and stitch the waist. You will look nice. You can decide to remove this belt and add any fancy belt you have at home. And if it's something that you want to dress up, Zara have this golden belts they just have for this their new seasons, and they still have one previous one. You can decide to add any one you like in your wardrobe. I said this number here is must have. Just look at the length, it's not too short, it's not restrictive at all. I will say plus. Talking about white, because we are in spring, so you can't go wrong with white. I decided to give a try to their skinny jeans. This number here is very, very lovely. Although skinny jeans, I have love-hate relationship with skinny jeans. At times they are so judgmental, let me put it that way, let me use that language. So I decided to give this a try. I decided to size up on this number. I decided to pick it in size 10, so that although it's very, very super elasticated, but I decided to go for size 10 so that it won't look funny. I will give it opportunity to see the way it will look on my body type. And for price difference, this one was the most affordable one. It was €19.99 at €20. You can't go wrong. And it have this cropped effect, so it's cropped. I think this number here, you can't go wrong with super high waist, because when it comes for jeans, it just stretch me out, it just make me freak out, because the waistline, is it going to look nice in my body? So let me know in the comment below. So as I said, I will be trying with body, and so that you can really see the waistline, the way it look on my waist, the way it look on my hips. I don't know the way it will look, so we'll try it together now. We'll see the cutout. I think this number here is very, very lovely, spring appropriate. It's something that you can style with different items: summer, spring, jumper, silk t-shirt, just name it, or even with a classic Zara body. Just look at these two numbers together. Wow, it's very, very beautiful and lovely. So I decided to pick this number. Skinny jeans in white is not really my thing, but I just want to see. Maybe I will find that there's one that look nice on my body type. I don't know. So let me know what you think. Thinking about giving something a try, I decided to pick this number here. A neutral jeans skirt. I don't have any jeans skirts of this type in my wardrobe, because I've tried different type. No one look nice on my body. It's terrible. It makes me look funny. So I decided to give this number here a try. Jeans skirt, long one. I love it. I see it other people's body, I want it. But anytime I give it a try, it's very, very funny on my body type. So let me know in the comment below if you have like my shape, if you have found any Zara jeans skirt that look nice in your body. So let me know. I will take it into consideration, because I would like to have at least one or two in my wardrobe, just to have it. And maybe at times I just feel like I don't want to wear jeans trousers, I want to wear jeans skirts. I have those short ones that look nice. I'm not talking about those. I make this long one with this long shape. I just love the elegance. I think with white coming, wow, it will look very, very elegant and chic. It's the problem I have that I've tried the blue one of last year, dark wash, just look funny. So I decided to give, once again, to give this number here a try, this spring one a try. And it's very, very elasticated, but the issue I have is the waistline. I think it's just too straight. It does not have any curve. I think that is the problem. So I will give it a try, and the try on, you will see what let me know in comment below what you think and the way you look on my body. Or maybe personally I don't even need you to tell me, I can see it myself the way it look. I hope it look nice, because the color is very, very neutral. It goes with different items in my wardrobe. So at this type of skirt, it always look funny. So I decided to give this number here a try, and let me know in comment below if something that you have given a try, something that you tried, or something that you like. I think it's something that I would like to have in my wardrobe. Guys, let me know in comment below what you think about this piece of jeans I picked. I decided to pick different type of jeans, different type of style, different type of size, different type of shape and length, so that I will just give opportunity. I will just try different type of this their new collection. I think I really, really love this color here. This combo here is one of my favorite. After trying all of them, I will say this three number here, the short and this trouser and this one here, I think three of them are the one that is made for my body type. It's just my personal opinion, so let me comment below, let me know what you think. I think three of them, I love the fit on my body type. I think that is the issue. It's not the rest of them that doesn't look nice. That doesn't look nice in my body type. So depends on your body type, you will take it into consideration. I hope this video was a little bit useful, because jeans, we know that it's very funny issue. So I really enjoy doing this video. I really enjoy playing with different style and different items. So don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any items in Zara shop you want me to give a try, leave me a comment below. I will take it into consideration. And you are very welcome back to my channel. My name is Uwa.